Hey guys, got some bonus deadlift work for you this week. Coming to you from Garage Gym Dojo, Coach D here. Kettlebells. So we're gonna have here an 80-pound kettlebell. Our set's gonna be very similar. I'm gonna get the kettlebell in the middle of my foot, just like we do on the bar. And I'm gonna grab with both hands here. And when I go down, I'm gonna think like a seesaw. One side of the seesaw goes up, the other side of the seesaw goes down. So boom, here, shoulders in line. Squeezing, putting my stomach into my thighs. That's bracing here. We're going to brace as hard as we can there. Drive through the ground, right back up. Now you will get some shoulder rotation forward here, grabbing the kettlebell. That's okay. Don't worry about that. Think really hard about driving the blades down. And that's our kettlebell deadlift. See you guys.